Lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. So we started out with some tea, and here we're just prepping some breakfast for the little ones. Here's a little sneak peek of cookies for Sabi, which is my nephew's 6th birthday party. You can see more footage on Mira's Instagram for that. We're making them pancakes with sides of blueberries and some cherries, and then my sister just went ahead and did sort of 3 pancakes each for each baby. Next up, my sister and I had some protein smoothies. She put kale, oats, blueberries, and some protein powder in there. It was super yummy. It was vanilla flavor. It was so good. Let me know in the comments down below if you have smoothies for breakfast, and if you do, what types do you have? Right, so next up we are on a road trip. So we're actually driving to Quebec today. That is a French speaking province in Canada. We're so excited to go there. It was a total of, I believe, 8 to 9 hours, if not a bit more, to travel there, and that's just because we did stop-offs to get food and stuff with the kids, and also pee stops in between. Hey guys, are we ready? Woo! Road trip!
Saturday we went to the beach, we rollerbladed on the boardwalk and got jerk and fried chicken to eat. Tomorrow is Sunday. It came so fast. I'll be back home with mummy and I'll miss my dad. Hi mummy, I've missed you. I have so much to tell you. I missed you too, Riley. I'm sure that you had a great time, but before you come inside,
So here's one of the food stops. We just went here, we grabbed some Popeyes, I believe, and some Tim Hortons, Burger King. We stayed a little bit longer than we should have at this stop off. We spent over 2 hours, which we didn't even realize, but by the time the kids finished eating and everything, it just took us a little while to leave. And then this is just the drive up. We finally arrived at the cottage in Quebec. This is just a little drive up showing you it is so nice. The area is super quiet and it is just so lovely. The air was so fresh, and I'm just about to give you a sort of slow-mo brief quick look at the cottage here as we arrive. And what I'll do is in the next vlog I'll be sure to include some more bits showing the cottage. But oh my god, had a pool, had a hot tub. It was absolutely amazing. So we spend the next 7 days here at the cottage in Quebec. Right, lovely, so we arrived at like midnight, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. We were so tired. The kids, we just transferred them from the car straight to bed. Here we're just making some brekkie, scrambled eggs, strawberries on the side. Right, so after doing my makeup, I'm just doing the little one's hair. So I tend to just kind of brush up the top, refresh her curls, left it in 2 pigtails for the day. Okay, mamas are ready, kiddos are ready, let's go.
Alright guys, so we're at the restaurant. And thank God Tavia knows French because there's no English. Oh, this isn't English to be fair, but the kids menu is French. What's she having? Grilled cheese. The grilled cheese with fries. Okay, cheese with. And then for starter, are you gonna have the calamari? Yeah. For starter, can we have fried calamari? Oui. What we'll do is the calamari, crostini, and the kids meal first.
Okay, parfait. Excellent.
Yeah. And then we're still deciding for our lunch.
What?
We're still deciding for our meal.
Okay, after?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All of the food was so nice. We had, this is smoked salmon. My sister had smoked salmon and I had the calamari. The kiddos had some spaghetti. Mira had a grilled chill sandwich, and then Sabi had pizza. We had some burgers. My sister had the impossible meat, so she's a pescatarian, and then I just had regular beef burger. Guys, it was honestly so amazing, and the service was really nice as well.
Amira, jeez. Sam. We're in Costco.
Right, so we just grabbed some random bits, potato salad, some cheeses, of course, creamer, coffee.
Hey love, so we just finished in Walmart, and while we're checking out, obviously our machine was giving problems, so I couldn't pay, and they had to rescan everything, and it just took forever. It's now pouring it down with rain. We had to run in the rain. Yeah. Oh, Amira J wants to show you. We got Mira a doll, and now we're waiting for Auntie to come back because the baby went to go and have a wee. Anyways, that's pretty much what we did today. Grabbed some lunch, went to Costco, which was packed. Went to Walmart, got some salmon and other bits. We're gonna head back to the cottage now. I'm not sure if we mentioned it before. If not, we are in Quebec, and they're French speaking, right? So everything is in French, and I'm about to pop back in to get a converter because obviously all of my bits are English plug, and I'm gonna go see if I can get a converter for my laptop charger so I can get these going.
Okay, love, so that pretty much sums up the first day in Quebec. Let me know if you're excited to see the rest of the vlogs here in Quebec. I'm so excited to show you guys all the awesome fun that we had. Do remember to leave me some love down below and subscribe for more vlogs. Thank you guys. Bye.